Talk to PK Travels chatbot.
Alright, getting the test version of PK Travels Chatbot.
Hello there. Greetings from PK Travels. We are here to help you plan your holidays. How can I help you?
Plan my trip.
Great. We will help you to plan your trip. Kindly provide your name.
Max.
Hey Max, thanks for connecting with us. Please provide your email address so that we can reach out to you with our best offers.
abc123@gmail.com.
Is abc123@gmail.com your correct email address?
Yes, it is.
Please provide your phone number for future communication.
20199 43050.
Is 20199430050 your correct phone number?
Yes, it is.
Thanks Max for the information. Where would you like to travel? Please provide destination.
Bangalore.
Please select your preferred package type.
Friends.
Please enter your preferred date of traveling.
25th of January.
How many nights you are planning to stay for?
5.
How many adults would be traveling?
4.
How many children would be traveling with you?
1.
What kind of accommodation you would prefer?
Not decided yet.
Please choose your preferred mode of traveling.
Train.
Thank you Max, we have all details now. We will shortly contact you with our best offer for you. Have a great day.
Hello.
Hello there. Greetings from PK Travels. We are here to help you plan your holidays. How can I help you?
Trending packages.
Here are our trending packages.
Royal Rajasthan.
Enjoy 8 Royal Day in colorful Rajasthan. Experience cool hill stations, wildlife, adventure spots and beaches. Provide one of the best vacations that you would have anywhere in the world. You will visit and discover 5 of the most popular cities of Jaipur, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Mount Abu and Udaipur. Meals, accommodation, Volvo, transfer, sightseeing at just 25,000 rupees per from Ahmedabad to Jaipur.
Inquire now.
Great. Kindly provide your name.
Max.
Thanks Max for choosing PK Travels. Please provide your email address so that we can reach out to you with our best offers.
abc123@gmail.com.
Is abc123@gmail.com your correct email address?
Yes, it is.
And your phone number?
20199 43500.
Is 20199435000 your correct phone number?
Yes, it is.
Thanks Max for details. We will shortly contact you. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.